30% or 40%, but guess what? You can do it 100%. Look at this girl right here. This girl right here, she used to be in the street and she used to be starting drama and she would talk about everybody. That's what she did with her mouth. But you know what? Now she's doing it 100% and she's praising, worshiping God. She's doing it at home when nobody's watching. She's doing it at church. She's doing it wherever she is. And you know what? Take a look at the screen, boys. See that boy right there? Guess what? He used to be cussing everybody out. He didn't care where he was. He could have been at school. It could have been the principal. It could have been his teacher. He did whatever he wanted to do. But you know what? He started coming to church. He started coming to Outdoor Sidewalk Sunday School and learning how to praise and worship God with his mouth. And that's what all of you are doing right now. You're learning how to praise and worship God with your mouth. I want you to sit up straight with your hands in your lap. We're going to get ready for our story with Little Shine Bright the Clown. Let's see what she's up to today in Clownland. She's like, oh boy, Pokey, today's Circus Church, and I just don't want to be late for praise and worship. We got to get going. So guess what, Shine Bright? She took Pokey by the hand, and they started walking right on outside. But guess who was in the background who saw them? Oh no, and so. They're the bad clowns in the neighborhood. They do whatever they want to do. And Shine Bright, she didn't even see him yet. And she was like, come on, Pokey, we got to hurry up because circus bus is going to be coming and we got to make sure that we get there so we don't miss out on praise and worship. So she just kept on walking and guess who came along? Oh no, and so. They're the bad clowns in the neighborhood. They do whatever they want to do. And he's like, hey, little light bright, you going to that little crazy circus church, ain't you? That's where you going, little light bright. And that's when Shine Bright's like, you know what, so what? At least I'm not getting in trouble like you two. Oh no, so. And that's when he goes on to say, keep going. That's what she said. Plus, we get to sing songs during praise and worship time. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait to go to Circus Church and hear that music. Keep going. And that's when Oh no was like, whatever. That music is for losers. Here, you need to listen to this. This is some real music. He's trying to get them to listen to some bad music. Go to my next screen. She said, no thanks. I only listen to music about God. Look at that. She's only listening to music about God. Look up here, girls. She ain't worried about that bad music. She's trying to praise and worship God with her mouth. She said, I don't listen to bad music. Keep going. So guess what? She took Pokey by the hand and she said, come on, Pokey, let's get going so we don't miss praise and worship. Oh no, and so was like, whatever. I didn't want you to listen to my music anyway. And that's when his little buddy in the background with his whole stomach hanging out, looking straight nasty, talking about, yeah, haha, yeah. Keep going. And that's when she just kept on walking. And she said, okay, Pokey, this is where the bus stop is gonna stop right in front of Clowny Brett's. I'm gonna go inside to see if I can get some instruments for you to play during praise and worship time. So she went inside the store, but guess who showed up? Oh no, it's so. What are they gonna try to get him to do? He said, hey little Pokey Wokey, you wanna listen to some real music? This DJ Bad Clown's new song, you need to get up on this. So he is trying to make Pokey listen to some really bad music. Keep going. Oh, yep, and guess what? That's exactly when Shine Bright showed up. She saw what they were trying to do, trying to get him to listen to some bad music. She said, excuse me, what are you two doing? He doesn't want to listen to that bad music, and he doesn't definitely listen to DJ Bad Clowns. No way. Come on, Pokey, let's go. Let's get on the bus. And that's when Oh No was like, and you are always ruining the fun. Go ahead to that crazy circus church. So as soon as she got to church, she ran right into Pastor Jingles. She was so excited. And Pastor Jingles said, well, hey there, Shine Bright. Hey there, Pokey. Are you ready for an awesome night here at Circus Church? She said, hey, Pastor Jingles. Yes, we are ready. I can't wait till praise and worship. So Pastor Jingles said to her, keep going. Go to my next slide. I'm glad you love praise and worship, Shine Bright. That's a great way to show God how much you love them. And guess what? When you become a teen clown, you can come to youth clowns and you can praise worship God even more. And then when you come to Friday service, you can praise God even more, even like 2 hours long. She got really excited when he said that. She can't wait to praise and worship God. Keep going. And she said, man, I just can't wait until that day. I'm definitely going to become a teen clown. I'm definitely going to go to the Friday service where I can praise and worship God for like 2 hours. And guess what?